Temecula, your trusted locksmith solution. Ever found yourself locked out of your car, home, or business? Frustrating, isn't it? At Key for Temecula, we turn your chaos into calm with fast and reliable locksmith services. From emergencies to simple key replacements, we've got your back 24/7. Your safety deserves top-notch care. We specialize in lock installations, key duplication, car key programming, and more. Whether you're upgrading your home security or getting a new car key on the go, our skilled team ensures efficient service you can always trust. We're more than a locksmith company. We're your neighbors. With local expertise and top-tier customer service, we prioritize your security and satisfaction. No hidden fees, no delays. Just committed professionals helping you protect what matters most. Don't wait until you're in a jam. Visit our website at www.key4temecula.com or call us today. Let Key for Temecula be your partner in reliable, hassle-free locksmith services.